Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Monday, December the 7th, 2020. Yes, the third Sudoku is a binary one. Binary Sudoku number 1. Yes, we have two binaries, but one of them I will solve. And that is this one, and this will be a number 1982. Yes. All right, so let's get started. Before I start, I want to count the boxes, because what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then double one, here an O, there an O. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one here, no. Then O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double O here, 1, then 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Let me see. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then 3. 3 ones. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. If I place number 4th, the 4th one here, then we have 4 ones. Then the rest are O's. So now we have 3 O's again in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Yeah. This row and the third row, this column and the third column. Let me compare 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Alright, now we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1's in a row in this row. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have now 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then we need to compare again. The first row and the 4th row, 001100110011 empty box, so we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1, we have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 ones, so the rest are O's in this column. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 5 minutes. All right, great Sudoku, great binary. I like this one. Twice comparing, yes. Do you think so? Do you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku. Will be a tectonic one. See you then. Bye bye for now.